Welcome to no-nonsense-booking.com. In this video, I will show you how you can change the check-in time on your booking.com property. Try and do this from the booking.com extranet from your computer because their phone app is not suited for things like this. And once you're logged into your account and you have your property editor page open, you need to go into the property option here at the top menu and then choose policies. And on the policies screen, just scroll down until you see this option guest information. This is where you define all these settings, so click on edit here, and the first option on the following pop-up is the check-in and checkout time. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. I won't go into the details of what it means, but there are a few additional settings you can choose when you are at this screen. The first one is, would you like to know when the guest is expected to arrive? If you mark it as yes, booking.com will prompt the guest to give an idea of their arrival time. Also, you can mark whether you want the guest to provide their address and a phone number before they can make a reservation. Additionally, you can also mark an age limit here if you want the guest to be above 18, and within a certain age period you can mark that as minimum and maximum age for the guest. And lastly, if you have any curfew at the property, you can just simply mark it as yes and define the start and end time for the curfew at your property. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.